Hello guys, I've just prepared the Saffola Masala Oats and it looks nice and creamy. I can see small pieces of carrots, onions and green peas mixed throughout the oats. The aroma is pleasant with a familiar Indian masala taste. So let's take a first bite. Mmm. The first thing I notice is balanced masala flavor. It's mildly spicy, not too hot. So it should suit most people including children who enjoy mildly seasoned food. The seasoning is tasty without being overpowering. The oats are soft and creamy but still have a nice texture. They don't feel too mushy as long as you follow the cooking instruction and don't overcook them. The dried vegetables add a little color and texture but don't expect large vegetable pieces. Their quantity is little, so if you enjoy lots of vegetables, you should probably add your own vegetables to it, and I think it will be even more flavorful. The flavor has a nice blend of spices with a slight savory feel. Feels warm and comforting. Good option for breakfast and evening snacks, and even makes a light meal on short time, like when you don't have time. Personally, I think it tastes even better when you squeeze a little lime on it. So you can also add some spices as well, like if you want a strong flavor to it. Overall, I found the taste enjoyable. It's not restaurant style food, but for an instant product that's ready in about 3 minutes, it delivers satisfying and comforting bowl of masala oats. If I had to rate the taste alone, I would give it a 4 out of 5. It's flavorful, convenient, and easy to prepare. Though adding fresh vegetable makes it more delicious. So if you are looking to try something quick, I would definitely recommend the Saffola Masala Oats. Guys, if you are looking to buy it, the link is in the description. So do buy it online.